Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Craveable Savour. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So we are going to see Valentine's Day special and easy and quick chocolate mug cake. So let's begin. First we will take all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, salt and mix well. Then we will add vanilla essence, vegetable oil, milk, and mix well. Lastly, we will add some chocolate chunks and mix well. Microwave it in oven for 1 minute. And here it is. Our chocolate mug cake is absolutely ready. Sprinkle with some granulated sugar and enjoy.